Hi there, I'm Chris from Carson's Bazaar, and today we're going to take a look at adding a burnt flash effect to your models. So today we're going to be recreating this burnt effect that I've applied to this walker. You can see there's you've got like the red raw flesh underneath the black charred flesh, and it's actually a really easy effect to get, and I'm going to be showing you. Originally I tried to do a burnt effect on this walker and it comes off looking more like it's just got like soot on him, so I'm going to be going back over that and we're going to be making a better burnt effect. So to start off with this effect, we're going to be using a Growling Earth, which is a texture paint from Citadel. Now it takes a while for this to dry, so it's one you need to have a bit of patience with when you do this effect. So you just want to get plenty on your brush, and we're just going to be putting it on very thick over the bits where we want the burning to be. So here, got it on his face, bring it around the back of his head a little bit, got it down his arm, you want to get both sides of it. Again, make sure your paint's very thick for this one. I'm just going to cover over where we want all the cracks to be. Doesn't matter about covering your detail on this one, and to get the really good deep crack effect you need to put this on quite thick. When it dries it does flatten out quite a bit, so as gloopy as it is right now, once it dries it looks a lot better. Okay, so now we just leave this to dry. It'll take an hour or so, and then we'll be able to carry on with the next step. So with the Growling Earth dried now, you can see that it's cracked right up all over the model where we've painted it now. And if you put it on thin, then you're only going to get a quite small cracking, where when you put it on thick you get a lot deeper and a lot bigger sections of it, and it just has a much better effect like that. So, next step for it is using some Mephiston red, and we're going to paint over all of the brown from the Growling Earth. There we go. So we'll just let the Mephiston red dry, and we'll be back with the next step. With the Mephiston red dried, we're ready to go on to Abaddon black, and we're just gonna very carefully just hit the tops of the cracks. It's pretty much a dry brushing you're doing. And then once that's dried, you've got a nice charred zombie there.